So I'm going to be comparing the Galaxy S22 versus the iPhone 11. Now, I truly believe the 11 is still a great entry-level iPhone. It's a couple years old at this point, but if I had to guess 3 years from now, it's still going to be relevant and working fine. On the flip side, you've got the Galaxy S22, which is a beast in so many different categories. Like, it's got an amazing camera, beautiful display, and it's also super loud. Now, these phones do have some similarities. They're both all glass. They have 6.1-inch displays, but you've got an LCD display on the 11 compared to the 2X Super AMOLED display on the S22. You also don't have the notch on the S22 like you do the 11. Other than that, price-wise, you do have a pretty big savings on the 11. You could probably save anywhere from like $300 to $350, which is pretty significant. Other than that, base storage on the 11 is going to be about half of the S22 at 64 gigs. And the battery life on the S22 is going to be significantly better. And that's also from personal use using these phones. Of course, if you want to learn more about these phones or check out some other great phone resources, I'm getting this comparison. I'll throw some links in the description and comments. Now, here's a big difference, right? The camera on the 11 is 12 megapixels. It's got some features on it, but when it comes to phone photography, guys, the S22 is the one you want to get. I mean, it's got a 15 megapixel back camera. It can record in 8K, 28 frames per second, which is pretty ridiculous. The next thing I want to do is compare some of the sound and video quality. So I'm going to let like a 1-minute clip play. Let's check it out.
Only one alone in the universe. Oh, we were so smart. Blundering from one calamity to another. Somehow we actually got out there. It was a new gold rush, expanding frontier, and the chance to prove who we were, all we could be. One precious moment. We were so close. And then, turns out we weren't alone after all.
Okay, next up, I'm going to do a gaming comparison on both phones, and I really want you to pay attention to the loudness because it is way louder on the S22 than the iPhone 11. I've actually muted the 11 so you could hear the S22 at the max volume, and I'll do the same thing when we check out the 11, but let's do it. Okay, bottom line, the Galaxy S22 is obviously the better phone, but if you just have to have an iPhone, I really think the 11 would be a great pick. Of course, if you want to chime in or comment about which phone you guys prefer, feel free to do that in the comments. Thanks for watching this one, guys, and we'll see y'all in the next video.